Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Phonics Room! Yes! Today we are going to learn the other consonant sound. We have 3 consonant sounds, so be ready, buckle up your seatbelt, crisscross, sit properly, do not running around, just stay there and be happy, put on your smile on your face. And we are going to sing our alphabet song first. Okay, let's sing together and dance together.
The alphabet is filled with consonants and vowels. We write them, we read them. Each letter makes a sound. Well, we start with A, B, C. We go all the way to Z. The letters of the alphabet are fun for you and me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? We start with ABC and we go all the way to C. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? We start with ABC and we go all the way to C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Each letter makes a sound. Let's sound them out now. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Each letter makes a sound. Let's sound them out now.
So we have 3 consonant sound today. It's very special. So we have W, says wah wah wah, and we have Y, says yeah yeah yeah, and we have X, says x, x, x. Let's learn more the sound of W, Y, and X in our phonics song.
Wibble wobble walrus. Wibble wobble walrus, wah wah wah. Wibble wobble walrus, wah wah wah. Wibble wobble walrus, wah wah wah. Wah is the sound of W. Yeah. Yak is yawning. Yak is yawning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yak is yawning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yak is yawning, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's the sound of Y. Fox in a box. Fox in a box. Fox in a box. Fox in a box. Is the sound of X.
Very good, everybody. Excellent. Now we are going to find out the sound of W. W says wah 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 in words. Words. So if you make a sentence or speak, you are going to say the words. The words. I love you, mom. That is 3 words. Okay. And W says wah wah in whale. Whale, the big fish inside the ocean. Where? Okay. And W says in the word wax. Wax. It's just like a candle. So another word for candle, we call it wax. Wax. Okay. And we are going to move on to Y says in yo-yo. Yo-yo, the toys. Yeah, you can ask your mom and dad to have that one, yo-yo. And we have the yawn. Yawn. Don't forget to cover your yawn, okay? Your mouth when you're yawning. Okay. And the next one, Y says in the word yacht. Yacht means the ship, special ship. Okay, it's not too big, it's not too small. And Y says in the word young. Yes, you are very young. Grandpa and grandma is old. Okay, we are young, young people. And we have another consonant. We have X says x. Okay, usually X. Not many words that start with X, but I have a xylophone, the music instrument, xylophone, and we have xylophone. Oh, we have this one, ox. Can you hear at the end of the word ox? Okay, that is X sound. And we have fox, at the end of the word. And we have box at the end of the word. Box. And number after 5 is 6. Yes, you can recognize that, right? At the end of the word. And for the word that start with X is xylitol. Another alternative for sugar. Okay, if you want to test the sweet and the healthy one, you can use xylitol. So that's all the sound of X, Y, and W. Okay, I'll see you later. Stay healthy, be happy, and bye.